Hey guys, Boxes of 93 is here, and today I'm gonna unbox this. Yes, and this is the only one now. This is a Dranzer V2. Dranzer, what's this? Dranzer. Yeah, Dranzer Volcano. Volcano here. Volcano 2, Dranzer V2, Takara, and then I'm gonna unbox this Beyblade. This Beyblade is really cool. And let's start. Here we go. It doesn't come with the launcher because this one is a booster, so yeah, it's only the Beyblade itself. So here is the Takara white disc, the beat chips, and these are the spin gears. This is the sport part, the circle one, and then this one is the blade base. And yeah, this one is the stickers, pretty cool. And then this one is maybe like advertisement, something like that. Let's open it. Yeah. Oh, what's this? I don't know what's this. Okay. This is the manual. Dranzer V2. And yep, it's like the advertisement, something like that. Dragon V2 remote control. Oh, is this a poster? What? Really cool. You can see here. Wait. Yeah, it's like advertisement of the remote control Beyblade. RC Beyblade V2. Whoa, cool. And these are others Bideman of the stuff from Takara. So yeah, cool. Yep. And yeah, cool. Takara blade base and all this stuff. And this is metal weight, I think, yeah. And the bonus, which I don't know what it is. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the stickers and then go back to you guys. So yeah, I've put all of the stickers here. It's the Takara. It's really cool. I like the combination of the color. You can see orange, and blue the tech ring, and then green. It's cool. And it's the blade base, and metal weight, and lastly the support part. Cool. And then let's assemble it. Yep. And the part, I can put this. I think it should be like this. Yep. Or should be like this. I don't know. I think it's yeah, like this. Cool. Blade base. And tech ring. No, sorry, the weight disc. And tech ring. Here's the Dranzer V2. Really cool. I think the blade base is quite like white, but that's okay. That's cool. Yeah. Got a stand. So yeah, that's Beyblade Dranzer V2. That's cool. I don't know how to. I know it can be changed, but I don't know how to. Oh, put this. It can be sharp and then it can be flat. As you can see, it's flat. It can be sharp. I don't know. How to do that? That's alright. So yeah, that's the Dranzer V2. Really cool Beyblade. Okay, stay tuned and to see other unboxings of other Beyblades, and then see you guys later. Boxes of 93s out.